In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable Instagram location. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up Instagram and go to your DMs. It's going to pull up a page that looks something like this. Once you're on this page right here, go ahead and swipe across this little note section until you see the map option on here. If your location is currently being shared, you should see a message up at the very top in the map section itself. So open that up and then hit stop sharing location. You can also do this in the map section by selecting the settings icon up in the top right and change it to no one and then choose don't share location. And then you can also just set it to stay off until you turn it back on. After that, it should say not sharing location up at the top, but if you want to fully block Instagram from using your location, actually back out and go into your settings, scroll down to the very bottom and select apps, and then search for Instagram on here. Once you see Instagram, go ahead and find location and just go ahead and tick it to never, and you will be good to go. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.